Comment down below if I talk too much. I just want to keep y'all. Hold on. Because in real life, I don't talk with food in my mouth. That's like unsanitary, right? Okay. So the reason why like I talk a lot is because I want to keep y'all entertained. Like I don't want to be boring. I don't want to have a boring personality and not talk. Unless I'm doing teeth tapping, then you know you guys want to hear the teeth tapping. You don't want to hear me blah 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 blah. If it's a teeth tapping video, feel me. Who is like that? Right. The fork scraped my teeth. It made a. No.